can see on the wall, there's a series of smart bathroom mirrors. All of the products are produced by our factory. We have different shapes of mirrors. You can see we have round shaped mirrors and rectangular shaped mirrors. All of these mirrors have LED lights. Example for this one, you can see that this is a rectangular shaped bathroom mirror. And it has LED light and it can be easily controlled with this touch sensor switch. Yes. At the corner of this mirror, you can see there's a small magnifying mirror on the right corner. This mirror has a magnifying function, you can see. Yes, it can magnify small details. So it can be used when you make up. It is very useful because it can magnify every details on your face. For girls, when you're doing your makeup, you can use this part. Yeah, you can see the blackheads on your face, the pores on your face, and so that you can clean your face. It's very convenient.